Hello YouTube, MUFC Legend here, and I'm back again with the video, and there's breaking news coming in. So Jose Mourinho has apparently made a deadline day bid for Chelsea star Willian. So Manchester United have made a deadline day bid for Willian. Jose Mourinho is on the lookout for one more signing before the transfer window closes at 11 PM tonight, and he has made an audacious move for the Chelsea winger. So the Sun claimed that the Red Devils have tabled an audacious bid in the hope that Chelsea are willing to sell. Mourinho is a long-term admirer of the Brazilian and has tried to reunite with him on numerous occasions. So Manchester United, we've got 3 players out of 4 of the targets that Mourinho wanted at Manchester United. We've got a defender, we've got a CDM, so a centre defensive mid, and we've also got a striker. When obviously they are Lindelof, Matic and Romelu Lukaku. And the 4th player was a winger that Mourinho wanted, and that winger was said to be Perisic. He was meant to be the top target. Griezmann was meant to come as well. He was meant to be the top target as well. Obviously, moves for them failed because of Atletico Madrid's ban. Griezmann decided to stay at Atletico Madrid, and Perisic, the deal, Man United didn't want to pay that much for him, around 48 to 50 million pounds. But apparently, Willian was also on the list, and Manchester United have apparently made a late bid for him. But I doubt that we will get him because, you know, it's too late for Chelsea to get a replacement. There were rumours that Chelsea are going to get Mahrez, but apparently, according to Sky Sports sources, Chelsea have made no contact with Leicester City for Riyad Mahrez. So I doubt that they will let Willian go because they don't have a good squad at the moment. The squad depth is not that good. So in my opinion, I don't think that Willian will join Manchester United. Well, there's breaking news coming in, latest news regarding Manchester United and deadline day transfers. So anyways, I'll keep you updated. Please like, subscribe. It's been MUFC Legend, and I'll see you guys later.